Constitution of India. Part 1. The Union and its territory. Article 3. Formation of new states, and alteration of areas, boundaries, or names of existing states. Parliament may by law form a new state, by separation of territory from any state, or by uniting two or more states or parts of states, or by uniting any territory to a part of any state. B. Increase the area of any state. C. Diminish the area of any state. D. Alter the boundaries of any state. A. Alter the name of any state. Provided that no bill for the purpose shall be introduced in either House of Parliament, except on the recommendation of the President. And unless, where the proposal contained in the bill affects the area, boundaries or name of any of the states, the bill has been referred by the President to the Legislature of that state for expressing its views thereon within such period, as may be specified in the reference, or within such further period as the President may allow, and the period so specified or allowed has expired. Explanation 1. In this article, in clauses A to A, state includes a union territory, but in the proviso, state does not include a union territory. Explanation 2. The power conferred on Parliament by clause A includes the power to form a new state or union territory by uniting a part of any state or union territory to any other state or union territory.